Ngiyabingelela mama nobaba bala. Bengingekho prepared. Ngizwe nami ngithi ngizothola amanzi okuphila mangiza la. Kodwa I'm always taken by surprise. Say something. Ngijabula nokubona ubaba la. Kakhulu. Ngiyamlalela kakhulu. Izinto azishoyo ezichukumisa ingqondo ukuthi siqale ukucinga singama-Afrika amahle. Ubaba seyishilo le ndaba yokuthi sihlukwaniswa obani, singomama, singobaba. Ibhlungu into yokuthi our education is controlled by foreigners. Sometimes you wonder, ukuthi, what was the plan? Ukuthi sinikwe, ukuthi sicabange. I guess if you have to control isizwe, ukungase isakho, you have to give them your values. You have to try very hard to instill those values. Wrong or right, but you have to. Because that's the only way you can defeat eyami imicabango engicabanga ngayo yobuntu. Ngifuna ukuqala nje kule ndawo encane ukuthi ubaba ukhulume ngokuthi ngabantu ubuntu into yethu. Umntwana akakhuliswa umama yedwa. Ukhuliswa isizwe. But it takes a village to raise a child. The experience seyisusiwe kithina nasezinganeni zethu. Umntwana mayekhula, njengoba ekhula kuthiwa namhlanje una 10, kusasa una 11. The experience, it's a journey that this child is taking. Kube khona manje lento yokuthi singomama, they take away the power from us of raising our children. Kuthiwa, oh, abantwana benu funeke bathole ama-pads. And the school and government must buy izinto zisiwe esikolweni for abantwana bethu. No, don't take my power away from me. I want to be the one to buy a pad umntana. And I'm not saying ukuthi asihlupheki, siyahlupheka sonke. Kodwa there are certain things of value, African women, that you need to hold on to. Because they build not only you, but your girl child. Because we has good, I can talk about my mother. Because she held on to that power. Ukuthi omntwana uzokhuliswa yimi kuze kufike leso sikhathi. And she took that responsibility. Now lento yethu yokuthatha abantwana bethu sithi bazayo esikoleni uzawunikwa iphethe. Wena mama wenzani? What are you doing? Sinama problems, yes we know, but let's get away from into yokuthi those who teach your children control the mind. Masisuke lapho. It's about time since understand thina the power is not njengoba bese. We are very powerful. Anybody that can bring a human being to the world is so powerful. Yeah. You have to understand that what power that is vested kithina is amazing. Also, sikhumbule ukuthi ngaphandle kwababa, that power is meaningless. It takes two. It takes this man to make sure that ufaka lenhlamvu all I need to do is nurture it and make sure it grows and see it become powerful. And so there is this power efunekayo kithina. This power efunekayo kimi and umuntu wesilisa. So we have this thing, I can do without him. No way. Because I hear some of the sisters, but, oh, I want to have babies, but I don't want to be married. It's because you realize you can't do it by yourself. It's not possible. I want to go back, which is understanding what happened to us. Because we seem to have amnesia. Ngesikhathi se-colonization, when abelungu befika la, yes, we gave them food, ngoba sicabanga ukuthi ngabantu sisebenzisa ubuntu. Then eventually we realized that no, they are not like us. They don't think like us. I want you to understand that. White people don't think like us. Hence, capitalism Google is the answer. Because they are selfish, they are greedy, they come from that environment. Utu Diop, by a product of their own environment. Because back then I see. So abazi ukuthi ubethi mayisethwale imkhukhu wakhe lapha eKV. Athi okwami esmayinadi. They have a philosophy siyayizwa all the time. Finders, keepers. Issue all the time. Tina City. Bana. Tlhogo bana ba motho ba hloganya tlhogo ya fi. That's philosophy. And they say ayisho lento all the time, but we don't understand the value in that. We can write volumes just ka tlhogo ya tsi. Umntu ngumntu ngabantu. We can write volumes ka yonto. That's who we are. And enoba so ungafuna ukupha umuntu nethi umuntu omnyama ubona umntwana lapha elambile umuntu omnyama uthi Nkosi yami hawu kwenze njani ungamazi uthatha ukufuna ukuhamba kamasibone what can we do for this child, because it's us, and let's not fight that. It's important. It makes us who we are. It's fantastic. Colonization also, what it did to us was to separate us, men and women. And basisusa kumasiko ethu, benza sure ukuthi we begin to look down on each other. And I remember, I think I said this the last time I was here when I watched my brothers go through these changes. And oh mama, bona, bebecabanga ukuthi the life is better. Benga understand ukuthi ubaba uyasokola ngenxa yebhasi. Ngoba akakwazi ukuthola umsebenzi ibhasi lakhe lingasayinwanga. Akakwazi ukufundisa ingane zakhe ibhasi lakhe lingasayinwanga. So nathi we had an attitude to go baba. And it's understandable, low attitude here. Because nami ngifuna ukuthi iziko kungabi bathi ngesizulu kungalali kati eziko. We wanted to make sure ukuthi kunokudla. But ubaba masebuya engatholanga umsebenzi. Bese ethi namhlanje ngihambe kabi namhlanje. I didn't get a job. Bese uthi wena manje uthi ingane zizodlala. Ulibale ukuthi we are all in this boat together. We are all suffering the same pain. So that is the amnesia I'm talking about. Sikhohliwe ukuthi we all went through the pain. And after that pain, ngisafuna ukubuzana namhlanje ukuthi ukhona okowathi kubaba ahlala naye. I-apartheid, i-racism, iku-affecte kanjani wena? I-pain yakho iku-affecte kanjani? Can you talk to me? Can we talk to each other? Because we both went through these changes. Instead, I have a job. I'm working. And I can take care of myself. I don't need you. Now you baba, okay, but I don't need it. But you find somebody in the past. Ozawugcwalisa the emotions zakhe, fulfill the feelings that are us.